Imagine you're on the coast when the alarm sounds. You have less than 10 minutes before a gigantic wall of water wipes out everything in its path. In crowded coastal areas with bottleneck exits, escaping inland by car is an instant trap. But what if the way out wasn't inland, but straight into the wave? In a high-stress emergency, human panic is the biggest enemy. A driver or captain might freeze or make a fatal error. Fully autonomous vehicles eliminate human panic entirely. Managed by AI, these submersibles would calculate exact speeds, optimal dive trajectories, and precise timing without hesitation. Physics proves that in deep water, the destructive energy of a tsunami passes right over you. For densely populated beaches with limited evacuation routes, automated underwater capsules could become the ultimate future safety solution. Today, we're diving into the reality of civilian autonomous submersibles. From luxury personal submarines to self-piloted tourist vehicles. Let's explore what's already beneath the surface. To understand how close we are to truly automated marine mobility, we first have to look at what is already operating beneath the waves today. Deep-sea tourism is no longer science fiction. It is a thriving multi-million-dollar industry. Commercial passenger submarines, such as those operated by Atlantis or DeepFlight, carry thousands of tourists every single day into depths where sunlight barely reaches. While these commercial vessels still carry a human captain for regulatory compliance and passenger peace of mind, the vast majority of the heavy lifting is already fully automated. Modern commercial subs rely on advanced sonar collision avoidance systems, automated depth-keeping algorithms, and smart thruster stabilization to counteract harsh, unpredictable ocean currents, allowing passengers to simply sit back, relax, and enjoy the view. But the real revolution in design and autonomy is happening in the private sector. Premier manufacturers like U-Boat Worx and Triton submarines are engineering what can only be described as underwater supercars. These cutting-edge craft feature ultra-clear acrylic pressure hulls that provide uninterrupted 360-degree views, making passengers feel completely weightless and immersed in the ocean ecosystem. And this is precisely where artificial intelligence shines. Many of these personal submersibles have done away with complex manual analog controls. Instead, they feature single joystick fly-by-wire interfaces or even fully automated autopilot modes. These smart navigation systems can maintain exact depths, execute automated return-to-base maneuvers, and handle spatial alignment automatically, allowing virtually anyone to explore the deep ocean without undergoing years of intensive pilot training. To make hundreds of autonomous submersibles navigate together without crashing, standard GPS is useless. Satellite signals cannot penetrate more than a few meters of ocean water. So, how will future marine traffic actually find its way through the dark? The answer lies in underwater acoustic positioning networks. Engineers are already testing subsurface navigation grids that replace satellites with smart seabed transponders. These underwater beacons act like digital lighthouses, constantly emitting high-frequency sound pulses to calculate a vessel's position down to the millimeter. Inside this acoustic mesh, artificial intelligence creates invisible, three-dimensional traffic lanes beneath the surface. Instead of drivers looking out the window, autonomous submersibles continuously talk to each other through acoustic modems. If two capsules approach the same narrow underwater channel, their algorithms instantly negotiate priority, adjusting speeds and depth layers to pass each other with zero human intervention. This subsurface traffic management system ensures that even in total darkness, heavy silt, or violent coastal storms, underwater transport remains fluid, structured, and completely safe from mid-water collisions. Beyond luxury leisure and commercial tourism, automated assistance is opening up the last truly unexplored frontier on planet Earth, the extreme ocean floor. Modern research submersibles like the DSV Limiting Factor have successfully descended to the absolute deepest points of all 5 global oceans, including the infamous Challenger Deep in the Mariana Trench. At these incredible depths, where the surrounding water pressure exceeds 1,000 times that of sea level, relying purely on human manual steering is not only impractical, it is extremely dangerous. Under such brutal environmental conditions, advanced artificial intelligence algorithms become critical for survival. These AI systems continuously analyze real-time telemetry, making thousands of micro-adjustments per second to individual thrusters. This counters shifting thermal currents, maintains precise pitch stability, and prevents accidental collisions with jagged underwater walls. By handing off critical navigation and safety routines to intelligent automation, marine scientists can focus entirely on mapping uncharted territories and analyzing raw data. Furthermore, human-piloted submersibles are now working in tandem with fully autonomous underwater vehicles, or AUVs. These unmanned robotic explorers are deployed deep into underwater canyons and volcanic vents where human presence is too risky. Powered by machine learning vision models, these autonomous drones can identify complex geological structures, map the seabed in high-definition 3D, and even detect alien-like marine life without any tether or real-time human control. They calculate their own search grids, manage their power consumption intelligently, and return to surface vessels independently once their mission is complete. This synergy between AI navigation and deep-sea exploration is proving something fundamental. Intelligent automation doesn't just keep us safe in extreme environments, it expands our capacity to learn about our own planet in ways that were mathematically impossible just a decade ago. As marine robotics, battery energy density, and artificial intelligence rapidly evolve, the traditional boundary between human civilization and the ocean is permanently dissolving. What began as high-end luxury, deep-sea tourism, and scientific research is actively paving the way for the next major evolution in urban infrastructure and emergency safety. Imagine coastal megacities equipped with automated underwater networks. In the event of an inevitable natural disaster, like a megatsunami or severe oceanic storm, integrated AI evacuation pods could automatically deploy from shoreline hubs, transporting thousands of citizens beneath the dangerous surface waves in seconds. By combining real-time seismic detection with fully autonomous navigation, these subsurface transport systems could transform how we protect human life in high-risk zones. The future of global mobility and disaster response might not be taking off into the crowded sky. It might be gliding silently and safely deep beneath the waves. Now, looking at everything we've covered today, I want to hear your thoughts. If a sudden tsunami warning sounded right now while you were on the beach, would you trust your life to an autonomous underwater capsule and dive straight beneath the roaring wave? Or would you take your chances fighting traffic on solid ground? Let us know in the comments down below. The technology is moving faster than ever, and we are witnessing the birth of a whole new era in marine automation. If you enjoyed this journey into the future of tech, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and click the notification bell so you never miss a deep dive with us. Thank you so much for watching, keep exploring, and I'll see you in the next video. So what do you think? Will we be prepared?